So who wants to know about Take Charge? So we have a lot of vans that are off-grid, which all rely on solar. Now solar power comes down to how many panels you got and how much power they bring in. We have what we call a Take Charge system, which brings in 3.3 kilowatts of solar. If we look up here, so it's a sunny day in Melbourne, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon in middle of winter. And we've got 4 panels on the roof. We've got 2 fridges running, a couple of lights and stuff. So we're charging, because the sun's out, at 4.3 amps an hour. That's at 51 volts. So it's a lot higher voltage, a lot more amps than if we were charging it, say, a 12 amp hour setup, because it's 51 volts. 51 volts instead of 12 volts, sorry. So I'm going to show you, if you go outside and have a look at this, I'm going to show you the Take Charge setup. So you push a couple of buttons, and then these power panels come out. Goes from 4 panels to 8 panels, which goes from 1.65 kilowatts to 3.3 kilowatts of solar. It's commercial grade, 0-degree panels. Each panel runs at 70 volts. Look at that. How cool is that? Hey, come and have a look now. So now we're pulling in 13.1. So we've gone from charging a little bit to charging a lot more. And in summer, on a nice day, this will be reading something like 35, 40 amps of charge. Bring on the Take Charge. All right, give us a call.